Navigate with ease. Mastering navigation apps in English. Hello learners. Today, we're going to delve into the world of smartphone navigation apps. We'll explore how to set up these apps and customize them for your needs, all while practicing our English language skills. We can all agree that knowing how to ask for and give directions is crucial, but in the digital age, the ability to use navigation apps effectively is equally important. Let's jump right in. Navigation apps are a popular tool that people use to find their way around. These include apps like Google Maps, Apple Maps, and Waze. When using these apps, it's important to understand some key phrases and words. 1. Enter your destination. This is where you type in the address or place you want to go. 2. Starting point. This usually refers to your current location or where your journey begins. 3. End point, or destination. This is the place where you want to go. 4. Route. The path from your starting point to your destination. Before you can start using a navigation app, you need to set it up. Here's a step-by-step guide to setting up a navigation app. 1. Download the app. You can find these apps in your phone's app store. 2. Open the app. Once downloaded, open the app and allow it to access your location. 3. Enter your details. If needed, create an account or enter your details. 4. Enter your destination. Use the search bar to enter your desired destination. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes while learning. This process not only helps you get familiar with using the app, but also aids in improving your English reading and typing skills. Once your app is set up, you can customize it to suit your preferences. For instance, 1. Choosing the mode of transportation. Most apps let you choose how you're traveling, by car, walking, biking, or public transport. 2. Setting up home and work addresses. You can enter frequently visited places like your home or work for quick access. 3. Changing voice or language settings. You can change the language or voice of the navigation instructions. 4. Enabling or disabling notifications. You can choose to receive alerts about traffic, accidents, or speed cameras. Each of these features help you to make the app work best for your needs, and they also provide a great opportunity to familiarize yourself with English vocabulary related to navigation and technology. And that's it, folks. We've covered the basics of understanding, setting up, and customizing navigation apps. Remember, these apps can be a great resource not only for finding your way around, but also for practicing your English language skills in a practical, real-world context. So, go ahead, open your chosen app, and explore these features while improving your English. Happy navigating and learning!